Isle Royale is a very ancient island. The bedrock is over 1 billion years old, but it has survived all the cataclysmic changes that created Lake Superior. And it's mostly all volcanic lava from the Lake Superior Basin. It's about 15, 18 miles from the mainland at least, the Ontario mainland. And so it's the biggest island in Lake Superior, which is, of course, the biggest freshwater lake in the world. It's just far enough out in the lake so we don't have most of the mammals that exist on the mainland. And the combination of that distance coupled with the very cold water of Lake Superior, it's been a very strong filter. So for the most part, only the larger animals have gotten here, although we don't really know how any of the animals got here for sure. I mean, some of them are easy. Wolves, yeah, they had to walk across the ice. Moose probably swam, but we don't know any of the details. All the other animals, for mammals at least, are just very improbable arrivals at Isle Royale. So it's a limited place, limited fauna, about a third of the species that are on the mainland. And it's a unique, isolated, enclosed system with largely just one large carnivore and one prey animal, the wolf and the moose.
The island is about 50 miles long. At its widest point, it's about 10 miles wide. Now, because it's an island, it has some very particular properties that are very useful for the study that we conduct. One aspect of the island is that there are relatively few species here. The species that are here that are significant, of course, is the moose. And the main predator of the moose, in fact, the only predator of the moose on Isle Royale, is the wolf. But really no other species are there to kind of complicate things. For example, there are no white-tailed deer, for which wolves might also consume. There's no hunting allowed on the island, no hunting of the wolves or the moose. And so this makes for a relatively simple system.